Voting is underway in Moldova for the country's first direct presidential election for 20 years. Since 1996, presidents of Moldova have been chosen by parliament. Pavel Filip was appointed prime minister in January, and it was his pro-European coalition that re-established the popular vote. The pro-Moscow socialist candidate, Igor Dodon, has been ahead in opinion polls and has pledged to push for new parliamentary elections if he wins. His main rival is Maya Sandu of the pro-Western, center-right opposition. She has been praised for reforming the education system. If no candidate wins an outright majority in the first round, a second round of voting will be held on November 13. The president appoints judges and sets out foreign policy, but other major decisions need the approval of parliament. Popular election though could bring the post more influence and authority, correspondents say. Moldova was thrown into political turmoil in 2014 with the disappearance of about $1 billion, £820 million, from the banking system. There were weeks of street protests and 6 prime ministers took office in 1 year. Since then, Parliament has passed anti-corruption laws, forcing public officials to disclose their assets and making the misuse of EU funds a criminal offence.